Hi everyone, so what we're going to take a look at today is this one-step equation in which our variable is way over here on the right hand side and we're using addition. So where this can be a little bit tricky is typically when we have an addition question, to get rid of something we do the opposite, we do subtraction. And one of the nice things, so let's just write this over here. So the opposite of addition is subtraction, the opposite of subtraction is addition. Addition has what they call like a commutative property, which means that 2 plus x is actually the same as saying x plus 2. We can't do that with subtraction, right? Like with addition, 2 plus 3 is the exact same thing as saying 3 plus 2. But in subtraction, it doesn't work, right? Like if I said 3 minus 2, it is nowhere near the same thing as saying 2 minus 3. So with addition, we can actually kind of get away with this. So what we're going to do is we simply, in this case, subtract the number from the right hand side. So we are just simply going to go subtract 2 and that'll cross it off. It'll eliminate itself and we're left with x on this side. I'm going to subtract 2 on this side. 5 subtract 2 is 3. So I bring down my equal sign all the way here. My x has been brought down here. The answer has been brought down here. So basically it's 3 equals x, which is the same as saying x equals 3. So I want to show you though how that works when we go to test our number, right? We want to make sure that it works. So before I forget, I wrote down that x equals 3. Let me come back here and prove it to you, okay? Because as much as we have an answer, if we don't know if it's the right answer, there's no point in moving on, right? So up here, our question was 5 equals 2 plus x. Remember, I got 3 was my answer. I was like, yep, 3 is the answer. I'm going to plug it in where x is. So 5 equals 2 plus 3. Well, now I'm going to do the actual math. 5 equals 2 plus 3 is 5. When my answer equals itself, I know that I have found the correct answer and I've solved it correctly. If I had gotten a different number, like 5 equals 4, I would know it was wrong and I would have to go back and check my math again and try and figure out where I went wrong. But as soon as I can do this, then I know even if I didn't totally understand what I was doing along the way, as long as I got this, I know I've done it right. And hopefully as time goes on, I'll feel more secure and confident in it. But as long as this is equal to itself, we know you're on the right path. So that's awesome. Good luck. And hope this helps. Thanks.